Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to update or download the system updates on this watch. So before we start, if you want to update your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you can tap on Devices, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through this page and find the firmware update, and tap on it. And the app will start searching for the updates available. As you can see, I have an update available, so I can download it. If you have the update, you can tap on Download and Update. It will start downloading and then uploading to your watch. This will take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, so the update is just finishing, the watch is rebooting. Here we have it. In the app you will see this page and it will have this finish button, you can tap on it. And then just in case you can tap on firmware update again to check if there's newer updates for your watch. But as you can see, we have the latest one. Okay, and that's how you update the firmware on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.